Hey everyone, it's Ruby. Today, let's dive into some awesome side hustle ideas. We all know a little extra income never hurts, right? As a developer, I can tell you that the tech world offers a ton of options. You could freelance as a web developer, create websites for small businesses, or even offer coding tutorials on platforms like Udemy. Not into coding? No problem. Side hustles can range from graphic design and content writing to virtual assisting. Or, if you're a quick learner, you could pick up skills in social media management or video editing. Both are in high demand. Side hustles don't just bring in extra cash, they can build your skills, open up new career paths, and maybe even become your full-time gig one day. So, explore, experiment, and who knows, you might just find something you're really passionate about. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. And check out my other videos for more ideas on building your income and skills. Thanks for watching.